narrate. So here's the problem. We taped open a door, and yet here's the door we taped open. We put gaff tape on the other side, but there's no handle. Luckily, right, like this one. So luckily, luckily, we brought this gaff tape with us. So here's the solution. Paul, are you college educated?
Yeah, I went to school for this.
For this, yeah.
I don't think you'd be able to do it without a college education.
No, they wouldn't teach this at a vocational school or what's that place called? Full
DeVry.
Sail.
DeVry Technical Institute.
Is that going to be the middle of the handle?
That is the handle, babe.
All right.
Right. A little bit of extra hardware might be necessary.
It's good you're thinking about it. Now, if this goes bad, we just don't have to put it on the internet.
That's right. But this is going to be viral, baby. Nice.
Yeah.